In today's video, I'm going to be fitting crash protection sliders to my Honda CB650R. So stay tuned for that. Hi guys, and welcome back. Because I'm a new rider, I thought it would be beneficial to fit sliders to the Honda CB650. I'm totally new to this, so if I do drop the bike, at least I'll know that I'll have some sort of protection on it to hopefully stop it getting damaged any further than what it will if I do happen to drop it. Now, I picked up this R&G kit from R&G, and I'm going to be fitting these sliders to the bike. Now, I believe they pick up on the engine mounts, so it's just a matter of unscrewing what's there and screwing back in the sliders. So what I think I'll do first is I'll get the bike up on a paddock stand. That way it's all sitting nice and level, and it'll make it more sturdy to work on. This is what you get in the kit. First of all, you'll get the instructions. You'll get your complimentary R&G stickers, and these little stickers as well. I'd imagine there'll be spares for these, or you can stick them on your toolbox. You get the nylon sliders and the associated hardware to go with it. I've had a quick look through the instructions. The longer spindle is for the left hand side of the bike. Tools that you'll also require. I'm going to use a jack just to take the weight on the engine when I undo the bolt for the engine mount. Paddock stand, I've put that on the back of the bike. That way it'll keep the bike level and secure, so it's safe to work on. Other tools that you will require: you will need a 17 and a 19mm socket and a tool to operate it, a 10mm spanner, and a torque wrench. So once you've got all that in place, it's just a matter of fitting it. The first thing we want to do is get this nylock nut onto the end of the spindle, and using our 10mm spanner, tighten that up, and that will be a 19. So I'll just fully tighten that. Now, your nylock nut goes onto the shortest part of the thread here, and that's that on. Next, your flat washer, that will go on the inside, and your serrated washer will go in there like so. Just a quick note, this is the left hand side that I'm building up just now, and this spacer that you get is a different size to the right hand side, so don't get these mixed up. The longer spacer goes to the left hand side of the bike, and the shorter spacer goes to the right hand side of the bike. So that's the nylock nut fully tightened against the spindle. I've got my flat washer on and the serrated washer on, which will go to the inside of the nylon bobbin there. What we want to do now is get the bolt. We'll take the bolt out the engine frame, and we can start assembling this. Just before I forget, I'm just going to jack off the bottom of the engine here, just to take the weight There we go. Right, that should hopefully be enough. Like I say, it's only just taking the weight. I can still move that block. So when I undo the bolt up here, it shouldn't drop. Well, hopefully not. This nut here is 17mm, so I'll put my 17mm onto the ratchet and we'll get this cracked off. Geez, that's tight. There we go. There we go. Right, that should spin off freely. If it doesn't spin off freely, then that obviously means the engine's dropping. So I've supported it so it shouldn't, in theory, move. We're going to reuse the OEM washer again when we're putting the crash protection on. This is the left hand side all built up, ready to go. So as you can see there, it's all assembled. What we will be reusing is the OEM washer. So don't forget to slide that on the end. Once everything's assembled like so, line up your horn and then this should just screw in very easily. That's already picked up the threads. So I'll just get that nipped up and that'll be that side done. Right, that's me set the torque wrench to 40 Newton meters, which is approximately 30 foot-pounds. Okay, now don't just guess it, I would use the torque wrench, because if you over tighten this you will strip the threads on your engine block, and then you will be in trouble. That's it, that's all you need, and that's nice and straight. And we can pop the cover on like so. So that's one side done. Let's jump over and quickly do the other side. Right, we're now on to the other side. So we'll just whip this bolt out. There we go. Notice that bolt's shorter as well. Keep your washer. I've already assembled this side. So we'll get that screwed in. That's just going in lovely. Right, before we go too tight, just align all the spacers up. That looks square. And torque it up. Go. Finally, we'll get the little capping on. And there we have it. That's RNG crash protection sliders fitted. Absolute piece of cake. Obviously with the bike being on the paddock stand, that's helped it, it's kept it nice and straight, and with the jack under the engine taking the weight, that way nothing moved. So fitting was a piece of cake. Now remember and keep your bolts somewhere safe, just in case you do decide to revert back to taking them off, putting the bike back to stock. So guys, once again, thanks for watching. If you've liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, why not hit that subscribe button and tick the bell notification icon. That way you'll be notified as soon as I upload any other videos. Until the next time, stay safe and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.